Ke sorkar jela kala Iasoi Memorandum of Agreement but ke North Eastern Electric Power Corporation NEEPCO na benta ban pynmih bording hajela nawa umyam hydroelectric project. Ya kini ke MOA la Iasoi ha ke arpu santrik ubnai risau arajar arpu ha Pinewood Hotel Shillong. La Iasoi kini ke soskular da udidi shira ubnai joint secretary to the government of Meghalaya Power Department but u Anil Kumar Director Personnel NEEPCO na kabenta ka sorkar jela bat ka NEEPCO. Hagani ka jingya soy ka MOA le don langru Deputy Chief Minister ka jela uba Preston Tensong ubadai kimi ru ka kam boarding u Abdus Saleh Chairman Jonggo Meghalaya State Planning Board u Pravin Bakshi Commissioner and Secretary Power Department the officer na ka sorkar jela bat na ka NEEPCO. Uba Preston Tensong haba ajing kren ka jingya lang ulaong kini ka jingya soy soskular bat ka NEEPCO kadai ni ka benta ka arspa lai pusan Megawatt ban pynmih bording nawa umyam kabalatib kum kawa umyam hydroelectric project stage 1 stage 2 but stage 3 baro artali ki project kata ka stage 1 kaba sanpo Megawatt but ka stage 2 kaba shispa Megawatt ka jinglut kala kenjo sha ka 1000 hanyo spa sanpo klor tingka but hanyo po persen kadai karam.
The agreement that we signed this evening with NEEPCO, I would like to just remind all of us. The total megawatt that we have signed till this evening is 235, right? 235. Umyam stage 1, stage 2, and stage 3. And I'm happy to inform you that the agreement signed way back in 2019, stage 3, is right now in the final stage, right? It is now in the final stage. And I'm sure NEEPCO will immediately start the implementation process. And again, the other two projects tonight, 50 megawatt and 100 megawatts. I'm sure from tomorrow itself, the officials of NEEPCO will go to the ground. More projects will be put. It may even reach to 1,000 megawatts. That's what I'm saying. I'm serious. And government is serious about it. Because dealing with the CPSU, government to government, the public hesitancy is removed. People will not say that why state government is always in favor of private investors. But when we do or agreement or have a deal, state government and central government, the confidence of the public is always there. So therefore, my dear friends from NEEPCO, as well as from the state government, from the MECL, let us work jointly. Then, within few years from now, we will see that Meghalaya will be able to export power outside the state of Meghalaya. This is our dream, and here is the intention of the government. We also plan to have more basins in the days to come, which is right now in the stage of investigation.